Let us look at the real world example where we will send a string from LPC 2148. Now this message will received and displayed on the terminal emulator or serial console which configured to appropriate COM port of PC1. Now we are familiar with UART work. So we will use the following configuration to establish the proper communication. The baud rate is 9600 baud with PCLK, that is peripheral clock, is 60 MHz. Next is data length is 8 bits. There is no parity bit and one stop bit. To work out on this project we need following things to set up. So software requirements are install Kill U Vision for Flash Magic PUT TY terminal emulator or serial console. Then hardware requirements are LPC 2148 development board, RS232 cable, USB serial converter, power adapter, 9 volt to 500 milliampere. Then the circuit diagram of this is shown here. The circuit diagram UART in LPC 2148 ARM microcontroller. So P0.0 is transmission pin and P0.1 is reception pin. These are connected to the COM1 and COM0. Now the RS232 cable is used to connect to the PC. Then the next diagram shows the USB to serial converter. So this is PC Windows, in between USB connection is done, and it is USB to serial. Then transmission line of USB to serial and microcontroller LPC 2148. There is a connection between the line by using the lines. So transmission line of USB to serial is connected to the receiver line of the microcontroller. Then receiver line of USB 2 is connected to the transmitter line of microcontroller, and the ground lines are also connected here. So next is the source code, that is program for UART in LPC 2148 ARM7 microcontroller. Now here the initialization is done. Here the project name is given, then the device is given, file name, language C language, compiler is Skill ARM. So next is initialization is done here. Hash include LPC 214 x void int clock int UART 0 U0 write. Then the next is int main void int clock and int UART 0. So here clock is set to 60 megahertz and PCL key is 60 megahertz. Next is send string. So pass the string to the USART put string function and send it over the serial. So next delay is given. Then after that the void int UART 0. So here pin select 0 is pin select 0 is equal to 0x5. So select the TX0 for P0.0 and RXD for P0.1. Next is, so here pin selection is done. Next is U0 LCR. So 8 bits, there is no parity bit, one stop bit, and DLB is set to 1. Next is U0 DLL, U0 DLM. Next U0 FDR. So here MUL BL, it is a 15 bits, that is equal to 15 bits 4 to 7. Next is U0 write. Sorry, it is on next page. Next is U0 write. So while U0 LSR and 1 less than 5, wait till the THR is empty. Now we can write to the TXFIFO. Then next is PLL OCON. So enable PLL multiplier and divider setup and feed sequence. Then connect PLL after PLL is locked, feed sequence, and PCLK is same as CCLK, that is 60 megahertz. Now this program is well commented in code itself. Let us run the code on real hardware to see its impact. Now just compile the code above and load hex file onto the LPC2148. We need terminal emulator to observe the data sent by LPC2148 microcontroller over UART0. So here is setting to configure PUTTY, that is terminal emulator for the UART with appropriate COM port, data bits and baud rate, etc. Now important is that after loading the hex file, make sure that we are not into the ISP mode. We will be using the same UART0 for programming as well as for receiving the data. In case we are using STK2148 ultraline board, then turn off the switch 7 switches to read the string on UTTY. So here is the configuration with the UART0. Next is open this PUTTY configuration to read from COM port, and after opening to read from COM port. Once we have done with all settings, just open the console and we will start receiving the string sent by the LPC2148 microcontroller, and the output of this project will show like this, that is output will show like this. Thank you.